In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, modify, and manage section breaks and page numbers in your document. Understanding how to effectively use these features can make a significant difference in the presentation and organization of your work, especially if you're dealing with a lengthy document with distinct sections like title pages, tables of content, or appendices. Let's dive right in. Our first step involves viewing your section breaks. Head over to the View tab on your toolbar and ensure the option to Show Section Breaks is checked. This is a crucial step, as it will allow you to visually identify where each section in your document begins and ends, helping you manage your page numbering efficiently. Once you're set up to view where the breaks are, you'll want to start inserting section breaks where needed in your document. This is particularly helpful when preparing professional-grade documents that require different sections to have distinct formats or content, like varying headers, footers, or page numbers. Begin by placing your cursor at the end of the page where you want a new section to start. Navigate to Insert, then Break, and select Section Break, Next Page. It's advisable to use Section Break, Next Page, rather than Section Break, Continuous, as it typically lends better control over the document layout. If you find an extra blank page appears after inserting a section break, don't worry. You can simply delete it, and your section break will still perform its intended function. Now let's move on to applying page numbers, starting with the first section where you'll want them visible. Head to the header of your chosen section and click on Options, followed by Page Numbers. In the Page Numbers dialog box, make sure to select this section under Apply To. Should you decide that you don't need a page number on the first page of this section, such as a title page, simply uncheck Show on First Page. Choose the starting number by setting the Start At value, perhaps 1, if it's the conceptual start of your document. Once configured to your preferences, hit Apply. Next, let's address page numbers for subsequent sections. Move to the header of the next section, ensuring to uncheck Link to Previous. This step is essential as it allows you to reset or modify the page numbering for this new section independently. In the Options and Page Numbers dialog, confirm that it recognizes the current section you're working on, such as Section 2. Decide whether you want the page number on the first page to be visible by checking or unchecking Show on First Page. Similarly, set Start At to 1 or any other number you deem appropriate and click Apply. Lastly, if you wish to remove page numbers from a section, for instance a works-cited page, insert a section break before this part of your document. Visit the header of that section. Make sure Link to Previous is unchecked, and this action will ensure page numbers are omitted for this specific segment of your document. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing section breaks and page numbers in your document with precision and ease. I hope this tutorial empowers you to create beautifully organized documents with confidence. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.